Hello Scorpios, welcome to you and your person's reading. And in this reading, there will be your energies on one side and the energies of your person on the other side, and then the most likely outcome. And as they are also general readings, so won't be resonating with each and every one of you. And if they don't resonate, then please check your moon sign and your name sign. And yes, you can please swap your characters if the story resonates with you. Okay, so let's see what are your energies, Scorpios. Okay, we have the Temperance. On your side, energies of the person you are dealing with. Okay, Five of Swords. Okay, the most likely outcome. Okay, we have the Eight of Cups. Okay, so I'll be taking the clarifiers just to see what's going on behind the scenes or behind these cards, but not behind the scenes, rather, I should say behind the cards only. So, on your side, we have the Temperance. So you're trying to balance a situation. There is something which you are really trying hard to balance, investing a lot in balancing this situation or this relationship, whatever it is. Here we have the Five of Swords. So definitely something, a fight, an argument, something has definitely happened which has shaked up this relationship of yours. Okay, and here as the most likely outcome is the Eight of Cups, walking away. Let's see what's there before I comment much on this. So let's see why is Temperance here for. Side, okay. Ten of Wands, the Tower, and the Hierophant. Okay. Let's see on this side, on your person's side. The Ten of Swords, something big. The Four of Pentacles. Okay, and the Seven of Cups. Okay, let's see this Eight of Cups. Okay, so we have the Seven of Swords, the Chariot, and the World card. So Scorpios, what I am feeling here is that though you are trying to balance this situation or this relationship now, I should say, since I have now got the clarifiers, but the thing is, it's becoming a burden on you also. Is you are tired of carrying this burden of the burden of this relationship. Basically, you're sick and tired of carrying it. I'll tell you if the reason is there in the cards which follow. But yes, you are sick. It was becoming a burden on you, and because of this, that you are sick and tired of burden of this carrying this burden of this relationship. That it's a sort of your responsibility to make it happen, sort of, or whatever the burden was, and because of that, something has happened which is coming out over here as the fight, as an argument or a dispute, whatever it is, and it happened suddenly. Okay, so it has happened suddenly and it has just shaked up everything. So because you were also tired of carrying it, and perhaps you also argued and fought because you were also sort of pent up or frustrated with whatever was going on, and that is why this time, maybe this is the first time you've spoken or had your argument. Maybe you also heated up perhaps this time. Maybe you couldn't balance this time perhaps. So it's something like that. But definitely there is something unexpected which has happened, which has caused tension or a fight in this relationship. And here with the Hierophant, what I feel is it has caused such an effect on you that you really need to heal. Here you need some help, you need some guidance from someone as to what to do. It's something of that sort. Let's see over here with the, as the clarifiers, we have the Ten of Swords, we have the Four of Pentacles, and the Seven of Cups. So they are also in agony. It's not that they are not in agony, but this person is also in a lot of agony. They have also felt hurt, but they are getting back up. They are getting back up. They are okay, and very closed off, and they are looking for options, other options. So this person is looking for options and is closed off to you. Or was that the reason of the argument? It can be that also. that it was this reason that they were closed off, and perhaps you came to know that this person is having multiple options or is dating others with you also. It can be that maybe this person was like that, and that was the, maybe you came to know of the truth suddenly. Maybe that is the sudden thing over here, that suddenly you came to know the truth, perhaps, and that is why this argument happened. This is one reason. Or maybe this person, or after the argument, this person also felt broken for the time being, but then now they are closed off and now they are open to options. So it can again be two scenarios over here. So either they are done with you and then open up to other options, or maybe they were already open to the options, and that is why there was a fight, because you came to know the truth suddenly. Or maybe you had some sense of that before also, and that is what the burden was all about. Okay, maybe you were sensing that sort of deception or something like that, and it was becoming a burden on you, and you were trying to balance it, but then something happened that everything was revealed sort of, and there was an argument. So again, the two scenarios are there. I'm being very clear in this situation. Either this person is now closed off to you and now open to options, or they were already open to options, and at that time the burden was something else, argument was about something else, perhaps, whatever it was. Or they had options and that is why the argument was there. But with the 8 of Cups, walking away, definitely. 7 of Swords, yes, deception. I think there was some sort of cheating was going on in this relationship, whosoever was doing it. Okay, it has come up twice. In here also this person is open to options, closed off to you, and here again in the mutual also it is coming out that this person, there is a lot of deception going on over here, and walking away. So what I feel here is that, but they are being followed by the Chariot and the World card. So there is some action which is being taken immediately, rapidly, and which what I feel is closing of one chapter, opening of a different chapter. So what I feel here is that the action is being taken for a change in life, and which involves walking away. So this is a major decision, what I feel, and this has, with the Tower and the Chariot, what I feel here is that as soon as perhaps you came to know the truth, as soon as this event happened, which was the reason for this Tower over here, or whatever deception was happening over here, immediately it is being followed by the Chariot and the World. So you just want to end it, make it fast and out, exit and out, something like that, both of you, because it's in the clarifiers of the most likely outcome. So most likely outcome is walking away, and that is fast, nothing lingering around, not a slow thing, no trying to patch up the things. I don't see you're trying to patch up. This person is also open to other options, whatever it is now that you have to see in your scenario, but definitely it's over and out. Basically it's over and out for Scorpios. Let's see what is the message from the universe for Scorpios. Receive with love and appreciation. Gracious acceptance is a way to show love. Number 34 or number 7 may be of some significance for you. So in this scenario, what I feel is whatever has happened, just receive it, that it has some lessons to teach you, and maybe perhaps you have something new in your life which is coming up, which is better. So appreciate this lesson also with love and gratitude, that whatever this lesson, this relationship has taught you, perhaps this is what you needed to learn. But what I am getting here is you are walking away. Something has been revealed abruptly, something has happened abruptly, and it's something like that was there in the Libra reading also, and this is the continuation. Libra, after Libra is Scorpio. So I think even the Librans and the Scorpions need to check that reading also. Maybe you have some information which gives you a clue in your scenario, because there also something unexpected had happened and the relationship just disrupted. Tower card was there also, and here also the scenario is something like that. In that one also the other person wants to move away, and here also it is over and out. So Scorpios, I just hope it helps, and let's meet again in the next video. Bye.